All right, second week for Squid Game costumes, and last week I did the contestant. This week we're doing the dudes in the red suit. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is toDIYfor. Welcome. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I do new videos every single Wednesday. Usually it's more so related to like home decor, but it's Halloween and I like doing costumes. So last week we did a contestant costume. This week we're going to be doing the guys in the red suit. Still another very comfortable costume because we're looking at basically just kind of like red baggy clothes. I went with sweats for this, but the most challenging part of this costume is the mask. And I hummed and I hawed and I tried to figure out the best way to do this, and actually I got the idea from my neighbor. He saw me awkwardly posing for last week's costume outside and said that he and his girlfriend thought maybe they would do that for Halloween and thought they could maybe make it out of a strainer. And I thought, oh my gosh, yes, I know the exact proper strainer that you need from the dollar store to make this. So let me show you how I put this costume together. Of course, let me know what you thought in the comments down below. And if you're looking for any other Halloween costume ideas, I've got an entire playlist on my channel. I've done multiples in the last couple of years, so check out those ideas there. Let's get into it.
So this is the strainer I was talking about. It's like a metal one. I got this from the dollar store. It's got a mesh kind of base to it. So it is a little tricky to get it started to cut it out. I used some wire cutters, and then ultimately my tin snips were the best thing to cut this out. But once I got it out, it's kind of like this big metal mesh circle. I did cut it down into more of an oval shape to fit my face. And be careful when you're doing this, the wire is very sharp. So that's why I added this little piece here. So it's just a little bit of black felt that I am wrapping around the entire edge, hot gluing it into place so nobody cuts themselves, and it just finishes off the edge nicely. So once I had that done, I had this black mask that I picked up at the dollar store. We're gonna use that as our base, and then I'm gonna kind of wrap this around using felt to attach it. So I did that in 4 different points, and this kind of gives us the shape that we're looking for, and it worked really well as a base. I spray painted that all black, and then of course you've got to get your character on the front. So I went with square. I researched it and I found out that square means a manager, circle means a worker, and triangle is an armed kind of worker. So this is pretty much all there is to the costume. I went to the thrift store. I found myself a red hoodie, which is obviously very important, a black kind of belt, and then I found some red pants that match that same red tone, which again is very important to make this look like a full jumpsuit. And then I paired it with just some black mitts and also some black boots to throw the whole costume together. Again, a really comfortable costume. I would say maybe wearing a mask isn't the most comfortable all night, and the mask that I did pick from the dollar store, not the most comfortable on my face, but it is sweats, and I think that this would make a really great couples costume, whether you wanted to both go as this, or even a friend costume, or if you wanted to do the previous costume from last week, the contestant. So let me know what you thought of this DIY. I'll be back next week with another one. Cheers.